Hey, what's up guys, this is 𝐒𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐞 from 𝐒𝐿𝐼 back with another video. As many of guys have faced issues when you connect your iPhone to a computer with a USB cable. Sometimes iTunes won't recognize your device or it will show some errors. So in this video, I will show you 4 ways by which you can fix this issue. So before we go further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with iPhone latest features and updates. Also, press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Now let me connect my iPhone to the computer, and sometimes it says unrecognized device. So let's start with the first and the most common method by force starting your iPhone and computer. So just press and quickly release the volume up and down button, and then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once you have done that, try again to connect your iPhone with iTunes. If this doesn't work, try next method. Next method is to reinstall iTunes. So for that, just go to the control panel and here click on program, and from here uninstall the iTunes application. Then restart your computer and then go to the Microsoft Store or the Apple support, and from here install the latest iTunes for your computer. Then try to connect your iPhone and check if it's working or not. And if you guys still have issues, then update your mobile device driver. So for that, just follow these steps. Right click on my computer and click on manage, and it will open computer management, or also you can directly search over here for computer management. Then click on device manager and here click on portable devices. You will find your Apple iPhone or Apple written over here. Just right click on name and choose update driver. Then select search automatically for updated driver software. It will show you if new updates are there or not. If it's available, try updating your driver and then try to connect your iPhone to iTunes. And the last method is the simple one. Try adjusting your USB cable or try to plug in another USB cable of your computer. If that also doesn't work, try using another Apple certified USB cable and check. Link for the Apple certified USB cable will be mentioned in the description. So these are the 4 ways by which you can fix your iPhone not showing up in iTunes. Let me know in the comment which method worked for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more iPhone videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.